YouTube. So about another window visor set for my EVO 10. Reason being is because the rear passenger side decided to fall off probably about a year ago. So it's basically due to this cheap 3M tape. So what I decided to do was just get some stronger stuff. I think this is 30 pounds. This is what I could find at Lowe's. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna redo it, and hopefully that'll fix the issue. I'm saving for backup. I don't know why my phone keeps messing up with automatically not recording. I don't know. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to do this. Now I gotta go outside and get the old adhesive off so I can install these. Alright, got the new Scotch double-sided tape on. Hopefully it's a lot better than the 3M over here. Hopefully it holds. It's not perfect, but it'll work. So, yeah. What you think about it? You gonna be a streamer? What's your name gonna be?
Whatever my name is in Fortnite then.
So Lucas PH 2011. Heck yeah, you gotta start somewhere. Streaming that Fortnite. Alright, so alright, here's my EVO 10. The window visor's going on. It's a little dirty right now. This is what we gotta get off. So I got a little goo gone, a little scraper. I don't know if it'll help or not. Hopefully it doesn't scratch my paint. My phone keeps automatically cutting off during the video. I don't know why, but give us a shot. Okay, so it says to apply to like a cloth or whatever, but I'm like, screw that. I just went ahead and just sprayed the whole line because it's probably gonna have some leftover like residue like that. So might as well get it all. So hopefully after it sits for a minute, it should come off, because right now it is on there. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's already starting to come off. Well, let's see what happens. Well, I've got it somewhat coming off. It's just leaving behind a little bit of residue, which I do not like. Just gonna have to keep plowing at it. Hopefully I can get this stuff off, because that's got to come off before I can even lay that new window visor. It's just coming off in pieces, dude. Like, I don't know what they use now, like with the cheap route or what. Alright, got all the old adhesive off. My phone got hot and it's causing my phone to quit. It's probably what the issue is. So let's get this installed. Here's what it looks like without it. It's kind of an eyesore. Yeah, see, it just looks silly. The other side looks like this. Looks a lot better. This was hanging over the edge just a little bit, as you can kind of see, like a little bit right there. So yeah, we're just gonna trim it up real quick and then get it back on the car. Oh, that's what I got. That'll work as long as it's not poking through the other side where you can just see the double-sided tape. It should be good. I want it to have a real nice clean look. So all right, let's get it on the car. We got it on. I think I kind of found out the issue. See how this lip meets this right here? I'm thinking that maybe this one wasn't as far down. I mean, it's pretty close. But hell, it's starting to crack. You can kind of see some adhesive back there. So, I mean, heck, if it stays on, it stays on. If it comes off, I got an extra. So, yep, here's the finishing product. If it wasn't so dirty, it would probably look a lot better. Another thing we're doing today is checking my catch can. Last time I checked it, it had nothing inside. So I don't know if it was due to the heat, but we're gonna check it real quick. So We got a little bit in there. You can kind of see it, but just a little bit. So it's really not much though. Like not as much as I thought there was gonna be. I mean, I thought there was gonna be at least halfway full, but maybe it's a good thing. Got the catch cam back together. That's what my engine bay looks like. I got Drivenfab intake, upper and lower intercooler piping, 3-inch ETS intercooler. I've got a MAP exhaust manifold. I've got a Turbopartscanada red spec turbo, Drivenfab open dump, ETS, single exit exhaust, 1300cc injectors, 450 wobble fuel pump. So right now it's pushing about 460, I think is what I put down on pump. But I think I have either a messed up cam gear or a cam gear housing from my build. So before I tune on E85, which should be around 550. So, but I've got to spend about another $1,000 to get that fixed. That should be coming pretty soon. And then I should be doing some pull videos on E85, so it should be fun. Before I start the car, I ordered this sleeve because my original key, if you can see it, was cracked in the eyelet. So I ordered this little sleeve off Amazon for like $7. And it came in handy. Love it. So I can get black, red, or blue. I just thought that'd be different. Yeah, I ain't got no shoes on, but I'm just lazy right now. Get a little start up. Oh yeah, I got a GSC S2 cams. It's a fully built head. So I got the beehive springs on with the cams, mat valves, the whole 9 yards. I've done everything. One thing I didn't do was sleeve because I didn't really think I'd be going over like 700. But on this turbo, I should have the record at 550. I think most anybody's ever pushed out was like 520. So I'm definitely shooting to break that record. But we got to get this cam gear fixed or cam gear housing, whichever. Some people have that issue, some people don't. It's due to the valve springs. So when we get that lined out though, it should be pretty fun. Let it warm up for a minute. Got the works shifter here, Pioneer head unit. Plan to do a system in here. I also plan some future plans on the car is plan on lowering it. It's already lowered on springs, but I want to do like some coils, maybe lower it to like at least 2 inches. These are Aodhan DSO2 wheels, 19x11s. These are custom. These change color. Probably have to put on a little video for you real quick. So, I got them shifting colors now. I like to run green with blue demon eyes. Yeah, that's it so far. I mean, plan on getting the high-rise spoiler. I guess when I got this car, it had the low-rise, so whoever had it before me didn't get the SSS package. But I installed these depot tail lights. They're pretty nasty. Turn them on. I like them. They're different. Everybody else runs like the Audi style, but I mean, not really many people run these. I just think it's different. GSC cams. See, another issue I'm having is when it's that cam gear or the cam gear housing, I'm not able to run my deck. So it's also causing the car to run as if it has no MyVec, kind of like an EVO 8. So it's running like it's cammed. Now with MyVec working, it won't sound as cammed, but it's definitely low B. I kind of like it. So I'm kind of stuck in between doing the MyVec delete or trying to just, you know, risk it and do another OEM gear and housing and seeing if it works. If it, then it's just $1,000 wasted. see how I like it. I love it already, but might want to go a little bit more power, maybe 650. So stay tuned to that. Got a lot of stuff coming. I want to do the brake calipers, maybe paint those. It's like a neon yellow. I don't know. I'm still deciding. I don't know if I want to go with that or not. Maybe do the intake and the intercooler pipe in the same color. Just let me know what y'all think. Yeah, but if just like and subscribe. Plan to upload more in